Look at that guy's last name. Chazabinas.
Chazabinas.
We got our next batch of medication in the mail today, and the reason why we have this batch of medication is because we have decided not to do a second retrieval and instead go ahead and do an implantation, like have a baby. So our transfer date for the getting knocked up is December 20th, and I have to take a whole bunch of medicine for this. Let's unbox this medicine.
Yeah.
Shall we? This box says keep refrigerated, but what really made me laugh was this little sticker that said, "Thank you for your order." It's like really fancy. Alright, and then that's mixed merchandise. I don't know what that means. Alright, so we've got some insulin syringes. Ultra fine needles. 2 different injections, so that might be for Lupron. Because the only 2 injections are Lupron and progesterone.
Right, that's not for progesterone.
No, progesterone is a milliliter.
That's intramuscular.
Right, and what is this?
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous. It says that in the medicals in. This is difficult. Inject 10 to 20 units subcutaneously.
That's all that we got out of it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Ah! This is a stupid effing pull tab. That's a butt ton of syringes. Oh, another Sharps box. I have 3 now. And that's it.
You have to keep taking progesterone after transfer?
Because that helps keep the baby inside your body. Oh, why is it yellow?
I don't know. I mean, we can't draw it out of there to test, but it looks like it's about half as much.
Okay.
There's not good.
This is terrible.
It's not noted.
Is this part of your job? You have to know.
Not guessing like this.
Oh.
Things are actually written down at work.
Okay, and then, all right, so let's check I didn't do this last time, and I really should have, because we ran out of needles. It says 14. Do you want to count it? There's a lot of these.
This used to be my whole job.
I know. That's why I asked if you wanted to do it.
Yep.
What?
I counted it. I'm good. I can do that. That's one thing I can do well.
I'm really good at counting pills. Estradiol. I guess this is just estrogen.
Fine, I'll count them.
But I don't know how many I need. I think that's one that I have to take 2 to 3 times a day.
I just wanted to pretend that I could count 120 pills really fast. Looks like it.
Like Rain Man.
120, 122.
What is this? Methylpred. What did you say that was?
Prednisolone. It's a solumedrol. Steroid.
Steroid. No. What does the steroid do?
Immunosuppressant.
Because I feel like taking steroids is frowned upon.
For athletes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not the same thing.
I'm an athlete. It's not the same thing?
No,
So
I honestly don't know anything about
one tablet. How many of these do I
performance
need?
steroids.
How many of these do I need? You don't know anything about performance
I don't know anything about them. I should probably study that.
I see 7. I can count to 7.
Sweet.
I teach math. And then I need 120 of these. There are a lot of days where I have to take 3 of these.
That's a lot.
Yeah, well, I take one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening. So on the 15th, when I start progesterone, I also start taking that 3 times a day, and I start taking the Medrol and the doxycycline. So the December 15th is like the day that my body is just like, that lasts. So the 17th through the 21st is our last week of school before the winter break. And I'm going to literally be avoiding crazy estrogen filled
You're not roiding.
progesterone filled crazy person. And I hate Christmas, and that's just Christmas week at school. Like everybody, it's just like Christmas parties.
You need 98.
I need 90. Well, I have 120.
So you got plenty.
Okay. Okay, good. Well, so we have everything we need.
Yeah.
Whew. I did not want to call and pay more money for more meds.
This has been a successful unboxing.
I'm glad that you could be here with me. Because
Me
you
too.
weren't last one.
Where was I? I wasn't even
I
in
think
the
you were-
same city as you, I don't think.
No, you were at work.
Oh.
Yeah, you were just working 24 hours. Thanks for going on this journey with us and for being a part of our lives and supporting us and loving our unborn children, our little M babies. I like to call them
The 3 amigos plus 1.
the 3 amigos plus 1, but also blastocyst, because that sounds like a dinosaur and that's cooler than embryo.
It's a good name.
It's a good name. So, yeah, so thank you so much for loving us. We really appreciate it, and we feel that love a lot. And I know that our future children also feel that love a lot. So, continue to pray for us, to think about us, to send us good vibes while we start the second half of our journey towards being pregnant. And December 20th is the big day. December 20th is our transfer day. So keep that in mind. You look terrified. Like you're not allowed to look scared anymore.
I'm not.
So, yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
I love you.
Love you.
You want to eat dinner?
Yeah.